Hey there! In this quick tutorial, today I am going to show you how to create this gradient text effect in Canva. Now this is super simple to do. So first we want to pick our gradients. So head over to the left menu and select elements, and you can go ahead and type in gradient, and I selected this gradient. Now you will notice that you have option to change the color here, and there's quite a few gradients like where you can either use the default colors or change the colors yourself. So what we want to do now is to fill the workspace with the gradient. I changed its color to pink. Now we want to add some text here. So click on text, and I am going to use my default text font here. You can use whatever you want. So now you can change the font here. I am changing it to Aprila, and make sure to change its color into white. Now resize it. Then we want to head into our transparency here at the top right, typically at 45 pretty well. I'll set it 45. The next step is to export it. Once it is done, open the new tab and search for remove background. You need to upload the image here to remove its background. So simply click on upload and upload the image to remove the background. Once the background is removed, download the photo and go back to the Canva page and click on uploads. Click on upload files and upload the photo with removed background. Once it is done, click on it, adjust the size, and now click on edit image, and now increase the saturation and decrease the contrast at -32. So now let's see the final touch. Let's add some gradient and let's see how our font looks like. So this is how it looks like. You can use some really stylistic gradients as well to get variants in your gradient. So really simple to do, super easy, just have fun with it and let me know what you think. If the content helped you, leave a like on the video, leave a compliment or a suggestion in the comment section, subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye!